Did you know that you can publish a book on KDP for free? You want to go to kdp.amazon.com. You're going to create an account. Click Create. You can create an ebook, a paperback, a hardcover, or a series page. Create paperback. Pick your language. Pick your book title or subtitle. The series is optional. Your edition number is optional. Put in your author's name. Any contributors. Put in your description of your book. And you're going to click on publishing rights. And you're going to put in your primary audience. You're going to next go to primary marketplace. I chose Amazon.com. You're going to choose your categories. This is where your book is listed on Amazon. You need to choose at least 3 categories. Then you want to put in some keywords. Journal, sternals, notebook, notebook, journals. I use these words, so when people are searching for these words, my journal will come up. You want to put in your publication date. You can get it published right away, or you can put in a particular date. Then you're going to click Save and Continue. All right, these are your paperback content information. You're going to publish with an ISBN, or you can add your own. Your print options, you want to click black and white interior with white paper. Your trim size is 6x9, no bleed, and matte for your paperback cover finish. You want to upload your manuscript. And remember, your manuscript should have been downloaded from BookBolt. If you don't know how to do that, I also have a video to show you how to create your book from BookBolt. You're going to also upload your cover page. So you should have 2 files to upload here. If it doesn't upload the first time, just continue to try. If it gives you prompts and tells you something's an error, you have to fix the error and then re-upload. All right, if you use AI at all, you have to click yes. If not, just click no. And then you want to launch your book preview. This is where you get to see what your book is going to look like before it's printed. All right, this is your back and front cover. It looks just like it did on BookBolt. This is the 2-page view. The quality check is on the side, so if there's any issues, you will have the quality check. We'll have that list of issues on the side for you. And I'm just clicking through because I have about 100 pages. Then you can look at the thumbnail view just to see everything and make sure everything is good. You want to download a PDF proof and save this on your computer. going to approve. And then you're going to do your paperback rights and pricing. Next. Click Save and Continue. Right, your $2.30 is the pricing cost. That's how much it costs to make your book. Alright, so you're going to put in, select all territories. And then you're going to put the list price for your book. My list price was $7.99. The printing cost is $2.30, which we saw on the previous page. And your royalty is what you'll get each time you sell that book. Now you can play around with it if you want to see how much you can get if you price it at a certain price, and then see how much your royalty will be. But I'm going to keep mine at $7.99. This is just an example. I'm not trying to make any money on this journal, really. You can also request a proof. And then the last thing you need to do is publish your paperback book. You will get a message screen, and it's going to show you how many days it will take to get your book approved, because it has to be approved before they publish it, or not publish it, but print it for you. If your images are outside of the margins for them to cut the book and print it, you will get an email saying you need to go back and redo your margins. And if you want help with redoing the margins, I will have a video on that later on.